Sandra and Håkan. Today we left Zagreb and had the best train ride to Ljubljana, Slovenia.
Good morning! Unfortunately, we are leaving this beautiful city today. We have had such a great time and it would be so nice to stay for another couple of days, but we are leaving. We are going to Ljubljana. The thing about travel days, they're kind of hard to make the most of them. So the plan for today, just to hang out on the main square, just like the locals. Station. I just love travel by train. It's so relaxing and at the same time exciting. I always feel like I'm a little girl again who's going on a trip to my grandparents in the summer. I don't know why. We have a couple of minutes before the train leaves and we found a cafe. Cappuccino, thank you.
We are running a bit late. You always have time to squeeze in an espresso and some pastries. Chocolate pancakes.
Was it worth it?
Absolutely.
We're really sad that we're leaving Zagreb, Croatia, but we will be back one day.
Just like many of the cities we have visited in the eastern part of Europe, this train is worn down, but in a very charming way. It's really comfortable, there's no AC, but you can open the windows, you can get draft going, and everything is just like I picture it was in the 1980s. Really nice. That was such a nice train ride. As soon as we went to Slovenia, the landscape got really beautiful.
It was so lush.
And all these mountains started to appear. The only thing that was kind of sketchy was that there are no calls going out when you're entering a station. So we wasn't sure when we were exiting the train that we were actually exiting it in Ljubljana, because it was not the end station for the train. And for a couple of minutes we were fairly uncertain, but it turns out we're in the right city, so that's good. We have recently partnered up with iVisa, simply because we really appreciate the service that they provide. And now you can get 10% off your next purchase. If you, just like us, love to travel, you know that getting the right travel documents sometimes can be difficult. iVisa is a one-stop shop where you quickly can check if you meet the requirements and to see what options are available for your next destination. So instead of dealing with embassies, you can spend your time planning for your next adventure. To get the 10% discount, you must apply via exploringplanethome.com. Click on the link and your discount is activated. And back to the vlog. It's already 5:30.
And we're starting to get a little bit hungry. We have made our way to the city center and we're gonna find a place to eat.
And also get our bearings right, starting to get acquainted with Ljubljana. It seems to be a really beautiful city, so I'm really looking forward to exploring it more.
But first eat.
Let's jump straight to dinner.
Oh, this smells so good. travel days are not only pizza, travel days could also be a vegan yaki udon. These little wormy fat noodles. They're so soft, a little slimy, but I like the consistency. And of course, a lot of veggies. Zucchini, pepper, pak choy, leek. And so good.
I got the vegan ramen and it looks and smells delicious. I think there's something smoked in it and I really like that. Oh, it's good. Vegan ramen, one of the best dishes in the world. No dinner is complete without ice cream. So you pour the ice cream or frozen yogurt yourself. And that includes all the toppings. We have cookie, chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, mango, and lemon. She's going for the cookie. And the chocolate. She's not stopping there. She's going for the lemon. On a scale of 1 to 10, how good is it?
Plus 12.
Ljubljana Bravo. I have a feeling we will be back here again before we leave.
Such a beautiful city, and here are so many pretty beautiful sights.
But we're not going to show them all today. We're going to save some for tomorrow when we're actually going to explore the city of Ljubljana. The last place we're going to visit before heading back to the hotel
is Neboticnik. The views here are magnificent. Wow.
We are going back to our hotel to recharge the batteries and recharge ourselves.
There are so many things to see and explore in this city.
I'm really looking forward to tomorrow. It's been a long time since I was so excited about exploring the city as I am to explore Ljubljana tomorrow.
Thank you so much for watching today. Click the subscribe button. We see you tomorrow.
And just maybe we will take the drone for a spin. And if that happens, you will see some aerial shots of Ljubljana right now.
Watch out, 'cause I know the rain's coming.
Just going through the motions,